Hi, this is Umar again, and let's quickly look into the reports section. So we'll look into the materials that have been done. We will group by work center wise. So this is the expected duration, this is the quantity, duration per unit. We can have reports into multiple types of graphs and pie charts. So like for how much duration each machinery was used for, and then we can group product wise. So if we have multiple products, right now we just have bags, so if we have multiple products we can group it through that. And we can have lots of custom filters here: production date, scheduled end date, start date, stock availability, units of measures, and lots of different kinds of reports. So this was a work order report. We can have the same manufacturing order report. We can view our manufacturing orders using a pivot chart also. So let's group it. So this was the bags in April 2022. We can group it using status, using material availability, and lots of other filter criteria. Yeah, and we can download it in an Excel format. We can swipe the axis. You can have a report using an overall equipment effectiveness. So yeah, we can have multiple reports using this. If there are some losses, performance losses in the machineries, whether it was fully productive, or we can have a daily report, quarterly report, yearly report, so we can even know the performance of our machineries. And yeah, so these are different reports. So if we have a scrap, we can have a scrap report also. That's it. Thank you.